presenting here our good practices at school. So nowadays, my good practice is about online guest teachers as guide and supporter. So, so the point is that this is a digital age, as you all know. We all have to compete with this time, this digital time, and our children, our kids also have to know the practice with mobile phones or laptops or whatever the equipments in this time. So we all have to know it first, and then we have to show these qualities to our children so that they can compete with the future world. So my basic interest was that as our students are using mobile phones a lot, as we all teachers are saying about that our students are using mobile phones a lot. So now my point is that when mobile is used in a way just as games or other things, those are not necessary for kids. So I thought that we can use it for their upbringing in a way so that they can use it positively. So for this, I tried to question them in some questions like we can get it in FLN, three types of questions, as we all know: closed-ended, open-ended, and high-order equation. So whenever I deal with students, so I just started to ask them questions, such questions where they have to think.
Innovations, আপোনালোকৰ যিখিনি ইনোভেশ্যনছ আছে স্কুলত যি এডুকেশ্যন ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট বা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে যিখিনি কাম কৰিছে বা কৰি আছে তাৰ এটা প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন খুব সুন্দৰ হৈছে। সমাজখনক এটা দাপোন দেখুৱাব পাৰে যে সমাজখনৰ ক'ত খুঁটি নাটি আছে, ভালৰ ভালটোক আৰু বেয়াটোক দিশটোকো তেওঁলোকক উনুকিয়াই দিব পাৰে। তো সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত আজি মই অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ